Copy your affiliate link, paste it here, and start making affiliate commission. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a Digistore24 affiliate website in just 5 minutes, totally free, even if you're an absolute beginner. And yes, you can use this for ClickBank, for JVZoo, Warrior Plus, even to promote your own product. But this method won't work unless you work, so keep that in mind. I'm here on Digistore24 marketplace, and let's say I'm in weight loss niche, so I need to click here on health and fitness. And let's say I'm in keto sub niche, and let's say I wish to promote this product here, keto after 50. Here you can see cancellation rate is only 1.7%, and I can earn €4.46. And the reason why I wish to promote this product here is because this is a good keyword, competition is not that big, it's not that strong. And this is my Digistore24 affiliate link, and this is my Digistore24 affiliate link. And the next thing I need to do, I need to make my Digistore24 affiliate website. And to build my affiliate website, I'm going to use this tool here, and I will reveal your name in a minute. And here you can see, effortlessly create your professional website or a store with the website builder made for self-employed, which means this is a beginner-friendly website builder. You need to click here on Let's Get Started Free. And you can join with your Gmail account, Facebook, Apple. I like to join with my email. But Gmail, Facebook, and Apple, it's much simpler and faster. After you register, you will come to this page here. How do you want to create your website? Create a beautiful website with no coding required. Click here, Start Now. You can skip this step here. You can skip this step also. Do not skip this step here. Here you need to add the name of your website. So I will just say keto after 50 and then click here, continue. You can skip this step here. You can also skip this step here. Skip all of these steps. Now you need to choose a template for your website. I will choose this one here on the right side because I wish my website to look like a blog, and then click here, continue. And you can also skip this step as well. And this is my blog. This is my website affiliate, Digistore24 affiliate website. And I now need to change the background image in my header. Now for that you need to use royalty-free photos, and for that I'm going to use pixels. So here in search bar I will simply type keto and click search. And Pexels will give me royalty-free, copyright-free photos and images that I can use on my blog, on my website. And for example, I wish to use this photo here because this looks like an eye-catchy photo. Just click on it and then click here and then choose the right size. Let's say medium, and then click here, free download. So now I need to go back on my affiliate website, and I need to click here, and I need to click here on upload images. And this is my header image now. So just click here, and this is the name of my website, and I will actually change the title. So just click here, and I will just say something like this: 5 keto tips for women after 50. And I don't need this, so I will just delete this. And I can actually scroll here, and I don't need this block here, so I will just click here, and then I will just click here to delete this block. And I don't need this block either. Just click here and then click here on delete this block. And you can delete all of these blocks that you don't need. And now you need to add your article. Now please do not copy and paste other people's articles. That is stealing. You either need to write that article by yourself, you need to pay someone to write to that article, or you can use one of those spin bots to rewrite somebody else's article. I already prepared the article for this video. So I will just paste my article here, and this is the tip number 1. So I will actually make that in bold to make it highlight, and also I will make this bold as well. And now I need to add my call to action, and I need to add my Digistore24 affiliate link. So just do this, and I can say something like this: Get Keto After 50 Diet Cookbook. And I will highlight this to make it stand out, and click here on this B to make it bold. And I will just click here on this little chain to add my affiliate link. So just click here on URL or email. And now I need to go back on Digistore24, and I need to copy this, go back on my website, paste it here, click here, and that's it. I added my affiliate link. And now I need to add more tips. So I added 5 tips in total. You should add between 10 and 15 tips. And I need to actually copy my call to action. So just click here, and then I will just Control C, and then I will just go back here on the bottom, and I will paste my call to action here as well. And if you are adding 5 or 10 tips, in this case, you need to add your call to action on 3 or 4 places in that article. And after you finish everything and you are satisfied how your Digistore24 affiliate website looks like, All you have to do is just click here in upper right corner on publish, and that's it. You will publish your website. And this is the domain name of my website that I need to promote. So now you need to start promoting your Digistore24 affiliate website. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to actually go on Facebook and find related Facebook groups. And when you go here, you will see there is plenty of keto related Facebook groups where you can promote your website, and you need to join to as many as you can of these groups, and you need to start contributing to these groups. But you don't want to spam these groups, because in that way you will be blocked and you will not be able to make posts and you will not be able to drive traffic. So you can say something along these lines. Hi guys, I just started keto diet. I'm new to this. A friend sent me these tips. I assume you have more experience. Can you please tell me, are these tips good and do they work? And now you need to add a link to your Digistore24 affiliate website. So just go back here and then just copy this, and then just go back on Facebook group and then paste that link here. And then just click here on post, and that's it. And like I said, you need to join to all of these groups and you need to start contributing. You need to start sharing your website here, but do not spam these groups, because in that way you will be blocked and you will get no traffic. And I almost forgot, the name of the tool that I use to build my Digistore24 affiliate website is Jimdo. They have free and paid plan, and if you are just starting, free plan is quite fine. And I repeat again, this method won't work unless you work. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.